Hi everybody, this is Laura, City Scrapper. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. Today I have an unboxing of the June My Creative Scrapbook Limited Edition Kit. This month we got this beautiful Prima Marketing collection designed by Frank Garcia, and Frank Garcia always has the most beautiful colors and images in his collections. And I'm afraid I'm going to pronounce it wrong. It is spelled M-I-E-L, so I think that's Mile collection, but I'm not 100% sure if I have that correct, but in any case, it's this beautiful collection. First, I'm going to show you all of the papers that we got this month, and then I'll show you all of the other goodies that we received. So we start off with 2 sheets of this beautiful paper that is covered in tags, and then on the other side is a beautiful pink floral paper. And I was so happy to see we got 2 sheets of this because I am really looking forward to cutting out these tags and using these on my layouts. And look at all these beautiful images, these beautiful girls. There are flowers, there are butterflies, there's a lot of the Eiffel Tower in this collection. Lots of beautiful images, and I have lots of ideas for these tags. So I was really happy to see that I could use the tags, but I also can use this beautiful pink flowered paper. The next paper, and again there are 2 of these sheets as well. This is a paper that has a honeybee theme. You see it has the hives and lots of flowers and bees. And then on the other side is this beautiful flower paper. So again, I'm really happy to see that there are 2 sheets of this because I could see using the flower paper, and then I love the honeybee theme too. This sheet of paper I think would be perfect for a background sheet of paper, and you can see again the Eiffel Tower, these beautiful flowers, and here we have this woman holding some flowers. Very beautiful. And on the other side is this green stripe. So I have a feeling I'll probably use this side, but I could see using the other side. I like to have a striped paper as well. This is another paper I think would make a great background paper. I love the pink and the blue stripe, all the flowers. And then on the other side of this one is this very elegant green pattern. Very pretty. And I don't know if you notice, a lot of the papers have this beautiful gold foiling on it. So this side has lots of wreaths on it. It has some really tiny butterflies. It has the gold foiling. And then on the other side is the blue and pink stripe. Okay, so here are some cut aparts, and there are more tags here, and you can see a lot of those same images repeated, which I really like because usually when they're repeated, they're in different sizes, and that can come in handy when you're creating a page. There's the Eiffel Tower, the beehive, the flowers, that beautiful image of that young girl, lots of the flowers, and again, the gold foiling. And the other side is this print. I also love this very much too. I love it. It's like the torn paper, strips of torn paper. Very pretty. Okay, here are some other cut aparts. This is an unusual size. I like this long cut apart shape. And again, you could see that there are a lot of the same images. Here's a little tiny beehive, and here's another image of that girl that we saw on some of the other pages. Very pretty. This is great for journaling. And then on the other side, we again have a very elegant pattern paper. And here are yet more cut aparts. I love these eggs, some letters, a butterfly, some flowers, and there's more of the bees and more of that beautiful image of the girl. And on the back is a ledger paper. And then the last piece of paper is a bow bunny paper, and this says, "Beautiful things fly away." I love this paper. I am already thinking of a couple of things that I might do with this. I love the way the blue matches the blue in the Prima collection. And then on the other side is a more neutral paper with, I see it, I love these coffee stains, and I like the music notes. So lots of great papers to work with this month. We also received the coordinating chipboard pieces. I love the chipboard pieces. There are sentiments. There are a lot of those images of flowers, butterflies. There's that lady. Here is a tag with kind of a ledger look to it. And then there's another sheet with more of those images. And here's a flower, another tag, the Eiffel Tower, these beautiful girls and women. And I like the way he often includes these chipboard hearts in the chipboard pack. So lots of good stuff in the chipboard pack. In the kit this month, we also get the Ephemera Pack. This is the coordinating Ephemera Pack for the papers and the chipboard. And as usual, you could use the packaging on your layouts. This is a ledger image, and sometimes it's great to have these because the paper is a little bit more sturdy than some of the other papers in case you need that when you're creating your layout. And these are all of the images that you get. There are 28 of them. So you could see that there are some tags, there are some layering pieces. There is this beautiful image. I just love that. There is a hand here. There's lots of florals. There are labels, some sentiments, and then one of my favorite things, butterflies, and then a bee as well. So lots of things that you could include on your layouts. We also received these pocket cards this month. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so that you could see the cards, and I'm going to flip through them for you. On the back of each one of the cards is this beautiful floral image. This is the same one that's on the pattern papers, but you could see it's in a different scale. So that often comes in handy when creating papers. And then these are the cards that we get. And you could see, again, that there are a lot of the same images, but they're in a different size. There's that honeycomb paper with very, very tiny beehives. Some of these are great to use as layering pieces. You can cut the images out of them. And of course, you could use them for pocket scrapbooking. So there are lots of uses for these cards. The first time I got them, I wasn't really sure what to do with them. And then as time went on, I looked forward to receiving them because I personally use them on the layouts, and I find so many uses for that. Also this month, we got this set of stamps. I was really happy to see that the stamps match so nicely with the paper collection. There's the Eiffel Tower. There are some sentiments that are in French, and there are just a lot of images that I think go really nicely with the papers. And my favorite one on the page, as of right now, sometimes once I start stamping, I have new favorites, but I love this flower right here, and the butterfly will definitely come in handy as well. So lots of great images that you can use on your layout. And then finally, my very favorite part of every kit, which is the 3 packs of flowers that we get. And I'm very sorry, I know that there's some glare because this is a very shiny plastic, but I absolutely love the flowers that come in these kits. All of these flowers are so beautiful. I love the pinks, the blues, the peaches, and I love the way they are glittered. I love the way they're different sizes. There are some small ones. There are some that have beads in the center and some that are roses. So pretty. And then I love, love, love the way this one has a butterfly. And then has some leaves in the background too, and more flowers with different centers and in different sizes. So lots and lots of stuff to work with, and I'm just really looking forward to digging into this kit. I am going to get started on that as soon as I'm done with this video. I'm really looking forward to making some layouts this month. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you are interested in finding out more about the My Creative Scrapbook Kits, you can go to the My Creative Scrapbook website. The link is in the description box. I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing video. I absolutely love the limited edition kit. It's my favorite, but My Creative Scrapbook also makes 3 other kits that are just as beautiful. They're just made for different tastes and different types of scrapbookers. You can check out all the kits and you can purchase them and subscribe to them at the My Creative Scrapbook website, and you will find the link in the description box. I hope that everybody has a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.